Today I'm going to show you a really simple method on how to tie your pointe shoes. One quick tip before we start, make sure to keep your foot flexed the entire time as to prevent tying the ribbons too tight. Once you got your pointe shoe and toe pad on, grab the inner ribbon on your pointe shoe and wrap it around your ankle. This will be the ribbon that faces your other leg. Once you're done, make sure you leave just a little bit of ribbon left. Now repeat with the other ribbon. I at least tie mine twice around my ankle, but it all depends on the length of your ribbon. Now that you're done with this step, make sure that both ribbons aren't too tight nor too loose before tying them together. Tying the ribbons is the same way you would tie your shoelaces. I like to tie mine together on my inner ankle because it makes it easier to hide the ribbons. The final step would be to tuck the knot into your ribbon. Make sure you hide the knot and extra ribbons so that you're left with a nice, clean look. That is all today. I hope this tutorial helped with any struggles you're having with your pointe shoes. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the EDA channel as there will be more tips and tricks coming in the future. Thank you for watching and bye!